Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to merge PDF files into one. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply search on Google, merge PDF files into one, and then what you're going to have to do is simply click on this link here. Then you're going to get redirected here, and what you're going to have to do is simply choose your PDF files. So I'm going to select these ones here, and then I'm going to click on open. And as you can see, I have these two PDF files. So if you want, you can add multiples. And after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on the finish button. But before that, what you can do, you can simply change the pages. As you can see, you can basically switch between them. And here, as you can see, you can edit, you can add text, and you can even sign it. And after you complete here all the editing and stuff, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on finish, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply wait. And as you can see, now we have these two PDF files that we can download. So all you have to do is simply click on the download button. As you can see, we have two pages, and basically that's all you have to do. As you can see, now we should have here our merged PDF. So as you can see, this one here. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.